The Frogs, by Günter. From the dank bog depths of an ancient past, older than time itself, they have emerged once more from beneath the darkened earth to herald yet again the return of spring. These old souls are the forest spirits, whose songs at night banish the frost of cold and ice of water that stills all life and crushes growing green. Their multitudinous throngs emerge in an orgy of sound, wet, lustful to procreate, with an abandon that only comes from waking from that deep sleep as they bided their time waiting for this final night to come. Winter has been banished. This victory was manifest at night, like all the other ones before. Pale, meek humans only see the results in daytime with the organs of their eyes. What is always manifest in truth under the stars and beneath the moon, when the sun takes its turn for rightful rest. These beings have remained elemental and eternal beyond the knowable. Dare we try to interfere? The Frogs.